Hey guys, for today's tutorial, all you'll need is a straightener, nothing else. And to get these beach waves, you're going to just start at the roots of your hair and just straighten the very top. And this just makes everything look a little bit neater and put together. And after this, you are going to go ahead and straighten the ends. So once you're all finished with that, you are going to take an elastic hair tie and just section your hair, a top half and a bottom. I usually just do equal sections. The crown of my head has a ton of hair, so it's equal to the rest. And here I'm just going to straighten out any of the baby hairs that I have around my face with a little bit more wave. Once again, just making everything look a little bit neater and more put together. Now go ahead and grab about a 1-inch section, and you are going to either go towards or away from your face for the first bend in your hair, depending on how you want your face to look. It just depends on how you want the hair to frame your face. And then you are going to clamp down and just kind of make bending motions upward and downward. And then you do want to drop the hair out of the iron before you get to the very end, because you want that straight look at the very end. It makes, once again, everything look a little bit more flattering. And then you will just continue to do this all the way around the head. And the nice thing about this is you can't ever do it exactly the same for each strand, and so it will give you that natural looking beachy hair. And this doesn't have to be perfect. That's one of the beautiful things about this hairstyle, is it's supposed to be messy. So if you want to grab random sections kind of throughout, if you want to change the way that any of them look, you're free to do that. You don't have to go in a specific order. And then if you'd like, you can just leave half of your hair up in a top knot, or else you can take it all down if you'd like your hair all down. And then you just start doing the same thing, starting with the very front sections, just so you can frame your face a little better, however you'd like your face to be framed, whether you'd like to emphasize your cheekbones or kind of make everything look a little rounder. You can basically make your face look however you would like based on the front strands, and then you just work your way around again. And using a straightener can definitely make things look kinks, so just go over and smooth any of those out. And a lot of it will relax throughout the day as it goes on. You don't have to necessarily get rid of all of them, but any major ones, you might just want to go through and smooth them out. And there you have it. This takes me about 10 minutes to do, and I have a ton of hair, so it's just a really nice, easy breezy hairstyle, and it is pretty simple. One of the things that I do like to do at the end is just finish off with like a pomade. I just borrowed my husband's, and it helps things look a little bit more piecey. Once again, just adding to that beachy look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more tutorials like this one.